Firstly, go for Webjee Counselling site. After that, click on Go to Webjee 2020 e-counseling. In the next page, click for online registration and choice filling. Now click on New Candidate Registration for new student. Read the condition and select I agree. After that, fill your detail and click on Submit. Now create your password and remember it for further use. Here, first step is complete for registration and you have your password for login. After that, click on Fill Application Form and provide basic detail about your qualification and address. When all details filled, click on Save and Submit. Now you have to upload document, that is 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet and date of birth certificate, which is also you can upload 10th certificate. Now click on Submit and Preview. Check all detail and tick on the box around the certificate uploaded. Then again click on Save Finally and Next. In last, click on the declaration page and save and final submit. Now your registration completely filled. Thank you.